I'm finishing my lunch. Sorry. Yeah, I was checking things. I think overall everything's working. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm gonna test. Once I'm done testing, oh yeah, that's the thing I wanted to do. The display. Mm, I think the display. Trying to think. Let's start using AI. Yeah, so we have this bundle display. I think ChatGPT will be fine with this. Hold on. ChatGPT. We're gonna do. Let me see. Yeah, casting. Let's see. So I need this bundle script in Unity to. I need the bundle script in Unity to. Let me see. This. For my bundles, my VR Unity game. I have locators where I spawn cosmetics. I need an editor script that will delete any children under the transform and spawn the cosmetic instead of doing it at runtime. That way there is no spawn over on of the scene load. Okay, so we're gonna go in here. I'm gonna copy this. See what it does. What? Fake. Okay, this is perfect. No. Make bundle call. Okay. Let me see. This should work. I don't know why. To be able to right click the editor bake cosmetics function. I don't need editor GUI script. My scene manager. And then okay. Update bundle display. That's perfect because I don't need to. I need to do that runtime. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. 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 Okay, let's see. So this should work now. So if I go in here, okay. Okay, that's good to know. Cause see this is a good way to test stuff. Mm, yeah. Mm, see. Okay, overall, this is perfect. Let's just set it all up. And there's no errors. Okay. This is awesome. Works. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's do the art. Mm, mm. Okay, let's see. Okay. Do, do, do. Sure. Okay, let's see if we can import the stuff that let's see. right, let's see downloads. Medic's fixed. We have the bone crusher. Okay, that's good. Let me see. Yeah, let's see if we can rename this. Import. We're gonna replace it. Okay, hopefully nothing changed. Okay, good. Except now there should be a hole plugged in. Yay, it's good now. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's fixed, done. Okay. Okay, let's see. Hey, on Fiverr? Yeah, well, you gotta spend, yeah. I mean, you could look at Upwork, but it's gonna charge you. Yeah. Well, yeah, it costs a lot of money. That's why people do it as a career. Yeah, models cost a lot. Mm. Oh, let me see. Oh, what are you thinking you're gonna pay somebody that take, like, okay. Let's see. Okay. Now I have the White Knight. What should I call this White Knight? See what we have. Okay, so we have White Knight and White Knight here. Um, yeah. Okay. All right. Um, um, okay, so we're gonna have to change this. We're gonna remove these. I'm gonna do. Okay. Right. Body. Right hands. Oh, let me see. Um. Okay. Oh crap! I closed it. Hmm. Okay. Income. Okay. Let's see. Mm, see, we have the hands. Okay, so then gotta, where is it? Downloads, cosmetic fixed. Mm, okay, so let's see. White night. I need texture. Good. Sure. That. Okay, let's see what we have. So, alright. Matter. Left hand sync. And the right wrist. Yeah, that's moves it. That's so different than the other one. Why? So I don't like. They make so much work. Okay, let's do this. Body. Okay, so let me get the X import. So materials, and we have body and hands. Then we apply. And then the body needs the body mask and the body. Then we have the hands mask. Okay, that's this one. All right, I think it's okay. Let me know what you guys think. Good, no. Looks pretty okay. I think it'll be okay. This back part though looks kind of weird. It is what it is. I think it's. So now, let me see. Body, hand, head, shoulder. Yeah, we'll probably do where. I'm trying to think how we're gonna fix this. Sure, shoulders, one piece, perfect. No holes. Uh-oh. What is this? Okay, it's not a hole. Okay. Let's set it up, I guess. Let's move it here. We're gonna set it up in the equipment station because this gets runtime. It doesn't matter what we have. 1.7. And then we're gonna go through the process, see how long it takes me to finish it. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Or I can use this since I have a script that puts it all together. So what I'm gonna do is this will be the White Knight bundle. White Knight bundle. And then the White Knight bundle will have that's what I'll call it. In here, the bundle ID is whatever, White Knight. White Knight bundle. And then instead of the head one, we'll do the knight. And then shoulders, knight, belt, And these are gonna be wrong. But oh wait, do I have wrist? Yeah, I have wrist on this. Okay, so we have to make new wrist because I don't have the cosmetic setup for this. So we'll figure it out in a little bit. Okay, so let's do default wrist white night. And we'll have the same ones. So let's see, how are we gonna do this? Let's do this for now. Okay. We're gonna do this guy is Bone Crusher actually. And then this one will be the night. Left wrist, right night. Night. And even though it's the same cosmetic as the other one, so it's okay. So we'll go back to the shop and we'll have the wrist will be the white knight wrist. This white knight we'll use the knight. Which one was it? Oh, right. I can grab it. Side, grab this one on that side. Okay. And yes, white knight. Mhm. White wrist. Bum, bum, bum. So we have that all set up, and it's gonna be wrong, but that's why I'm gonna fix it. Okay, the shoulders knight. Ah, oh, it's the wrong one. Okay. Okay, so we'll have. It looks funny because it's not all there, and it's all off a little. Okay, so let's fix this stuff because it's all. Let me double check something. Okay, so if we have this guy, body parent, it's not even. Oh, why is it? I'll just keep moving the wrong thing, so it doesn't even matter. Okay, so we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Okay, so we have. Let's fix the body first. How about that? Let me make sure it fits with the shoulder, and let me see the default P head. Head parent. So see, so if I set it at 0, 0, should be fine. So then we need the head. So let me fix the head. Let me see if the head's coming from the right place. Okay, so we're in the right thing. So I just need to adjust it in here. So here, the idea is that it'll be similar since the let's see. And the artist is supposed to line it all up, but they don't. So we have that would be the same as the other. So then we're gonna go in here and apply that. Override. And then default, that's good. See, it fits with the shoulder. Okay, now we're gonna do the shoulder for the sake of we don't. Okay. And we're gonna grab the shoulder from here. Okay, so we're gonna duplicate that and bring it over. Or oh crap. Okay, so let me see. It's almost this. So it's almost close. Parent 0, 0. Okay, and it's gonna go down there, but it's not. That's where this will be. Okay. So then we go up. I'll see. Go here. I think that's accurate. Okay, and then we're gonna move this guy here. Delete that and check this out. See. The shoulders need to be a little bit bigger though. They're not. Oh man. I don't know if this is right or accurate. Okay, so let's see how accurate. Maybe the head's a little bit too big. Yeah, the head looks way bigger than it needs. This is 111. Let me see this. Let me see what the head is. So let me see if I can. Copy scale. The scale. The rotation's fine. Okay, so that's better. Feel that it came. Let me check. Okay. Let me communicate with my. Okay. Okay. Okay, so still kind of off a bit. Much. Let's do. Oh man, it's not even uniform. Okay. Fine. Okay, that's better. Okay, let's say we have the shoulders. Shoulders like probably the right. Yeah. Probably could come a little bit lower. Maybe. So bring the shoulders up a bit. 0, 0, and then we bring a little bit more. Okay, and if we did the default pattern prefab. What are we on? Shoulder. There. Set it to 0, 0, 0. Up. Okay, I think that's fine. Okay, let's change the bodies. Where it needs to be. We remove the 0, 0. Okay. Go back up. Okay. And we just want it to line up kind of. Okay, so it does look like it lines up. Yeah, the head still looks big, huh? Um, okay, and then let me double check. Okay, so we'll move with the VR headset. Let's see. This. Okay, fine. Folder default. Let me make sure I changes. Blah. Okay. Off. Off. Okay. Um. Let me see if this is up on the other one. Maybe something I have wrong. Oh no, it does line up. Should be able to. Okay, so do the body. It line up. Belt. Probably the belt. Uh, yeah. Body. Not too much. The page. Let's see. So we have. Okay, let me. It's pretty close. It's the same. Okay. We're good on that front. Go. This guy. Oh, 0. 0. We gotta make sure we just move this thing. Fly. The belt on the night. Okay. Fly. Okay, so we got the belt, the shoulders, the chest. Oh, it looks like he's leaning forward a bit. I didn't check from the div. It's fine. Folders. Oh yeah. Like today's gonna be a short stream. Okay. So much to do today. Okay. On okay, let's see what's the next cosmetic that I want to fix. After I gotta fix this, and then I'm gonna send. I have a Pinterest where I have cosmetics that we have. Okay. Or cosmetic. Okay, the next one would be. Let's see, which one do I want? I'm just trying to communicate with my artist. Okay. Okay, so the White Knight. And does it look like it? Is it because so let's say we're doing this. If we 0.9, 8.9, 8.9. Why do they have weird scales like this? I don't get it. I don't know. It's just to make it taller. Weird. Oh yeah, I just um okay. Okay. Okay, so it does go down a bit more. Let me oh no, I did go down. Okay. Needs to be a bit more back. See the mesh. Update it. Okay, so then we have the wrist, the white line. And the easiest way to just do this is ready. The left wrist, and we go 0. So, and then looks like okay, so simple. Cow. And gotta get this done. I'm paying someone to do these, so I have to do this first. ASAP. Okay, so we take this off. Okay, and then we just make sure this works. Oh, I found something. Let me see. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna talk to the artist. Okay. So it's just trying to cover all the holes and just make sure the cosmetic is not just like a one-off that you'll be able to see that in here, and so don't want bears to. Okay, so we have that. Now we're gonna do the same for the other side. And 0. Okay. Now wrist. Gonna be that, right? Same for the guy, right? So now you'll see we're gonna test it again. So I'm gonna go to the shop UI because these are all updated. So they're all white knight. Shoulders night, 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 wrist night. Just wrist night. Let me see what the other ones are. Belt. Okay. Let me night. Wrist night. Okay. Okay, the shop is all there, so now I can right click and add. Oh, it should change the mesh. The script is not assigned. Okay. See if ChatGPT can do this. See, because material creates an incident bad for editor baking. We don't need to mark the Uh, mm, okay, let's see how this goes. Let's just edit. Mm, editor. Okay, let's. Does it work done for now? There's another one I'm gonna add later, but boom, done. Yeah. Okay. I think overall this is good. Let me see if the belt and belt fault. Uh-huh. 0. Back the- And then is it because crazy? Um, let's see what the other belt is. Bone Crusher belt there. Off. That's weird. Why did I get it off? I don't understand. Oh, because off. Beginning. Uh, Bone Crusher and the it'll all be fine at 0, 0, 0. And it's still within. I think the shoulders are fine and the head is fine. The body and the bottom that I haven't. Say we don't have the night body. Fix that. Then default. What do I need? Go forward. Let's say we switch it out for the default. Got like mix. Yeah. Let's see if we have the night. Okay, and then default. Okay, and then okay, so the belt needs to go lower. Okay, that's fine. This thing belch. Your train. Okay, then we should make it a little better. Okay, so we have that. Yeah, I should be able to go farther out. Right. We have that. Now. Oh, belt. Fly. Air. Thing. Oh, whoa. Change it. Yeah, it's okay, I get it. Not a huge. Oh, we have pressure. What look like? Okay. The, where's this? You how it look the default. Um, so we'll see how it goes. Um, and yeah, so this is it. We're gonna test now. Loading. So this, anytime I'm done, just go in here, say night bundle, and then this can be the white one, can be the white knight, and one can be the other. Okay. Yep. Pretty straightforward. Let me take a picture here. Okay. Bundle. Bum, bum. Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay. Uh, let's go and test it out. Loading. Load the scene. Headset. On. See. Okay. See what breaks, what doesn't. We're just testing. I'm first testing the bone crusher with the default, and then here we go. Interesting. Oh crap! I gotta wait to hit play. Oh. One. Where is? Okay, I'm here. Okay, cool. Okay, now I'm gonna figure this out. Probably do spells later. I might get on or not. I have a stream at 5, so I'll get that working. Maybe I'll work on my Marvel type game. Um, finally in here. So, oh, something. Just a texture assignment that's off. Oh, let's see. Where do we go to zero center? Because it might be. Oh, zeros. PVR. Mm, mm. Okay, there we go. Okay, so here go right hand. these, would they be off? Let me see. Let's go back and see what it loaded. I think so. We have default hands, bone crusher, skull. Hey, what's up? Trying to figure out cosmetic thing. Let me see if I can. I should have stayed and checked it out. Let me erase fusion rig. Okay, fusion rig is the hands. These should be player, and then they should be set to default. Okay. Oh, I need to upload a new version. I'll build one really. I'm just fixing a lot of stuff. It is very broken because I'm trying to figure out the cosmetics and it's like a lot of stuff. So I'll update it soon. I'm just trying to get this working and then I can upload it. New version. Okay, let me see what these. See what. Yeah, I'll get it there soon. Just. Okay, let's see. Where. Oh crap! I pressed the wrong. Oh man. Oh, allergy. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so that's the bundle. And this is wrong. Because it should just okay, I'll fix it when I get okay, so we have this guy here. Okay. It has the wrong thing. Does this have the wrong? Oh, because these have the wrist. Oh man, I hate this guy. If this guy, let me see. Oh, because it's not letting me. Okay, hold on. If I can grab. Okay, there. So if I do default hands on this guy, no. Okay, I not letting do this guy. Yeah, that's game. Oh man, I'll fix that. So default wrist. Last wrist. Well, in order to make this work, it actually needs to be this one, and then the press default. Okay, so I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna quickly hide something because I need to. I can't show the key and stuff online. Let me see. I need to figure out what code it has to be so I can upload. See what version I'm on. Open this apps. Okay, so yeah, 128. Okay. 128. Okay, we're good. And then okay, so then do tools. Okay, I'm gonna test it again. Oh yeah, the other thing I need to fix is the actual bundle here. I just created a new tool that will let me just set this bundle up here. Right clicking, make bundle, we're done. Set, boom, boom, done. Okay. Okay. Yeah, now they're correct. Okay, here we go. We're gonna. I don't think I have anything important in here. Or not. No. Project settings. Okay, so I get 28, 128, 128. And then that. And now we can make a build. I think I'm gonna do one last. I just gotta test stuff. Make sure it doesn't look too crazy. Oh man. Oh. Let's test the bundle display to see things line up okay. And if so, I'll just build and then work on spells. I shouldn't take more than 15 minutes to make the build, hopefully. We'll see. Here on this side. Here spinning. This bundle. And E. This just in case. Okay. Okay. Already on. No errors. What? Here. Ah, changing anything. Oh, because the buttons might not be lined up. No. Okay, let me see. Go in the logs. Change to head. Okay, but it's not lining up. This guy here. Oh. Let me see if I delete this and this. Will it? No, it's not. Huh, it's not replacing anything. Um, Let me see. Let me check this guy. Let's see. It was bigger. That means I selected it. One finger left. Selection's done. Trying to set head ID to default. Oh, it's the index. Oopsie. Hold on. Let me see if it's the index of the cosmetics. Need to make sure this equipment store works. Okay, so inventory. That's the inventory. Let's see, there's click. Minus index. Oh, let me see. Heads. I have the one crusher in there. Bodies. Okay. So hats. So let's see. We have wrists. I need the white knight here. Knight. This is the knight. Knight. Knight's here. Default. Okay, so the default head. Why? Let's try that again. It's changing. Not sure. Doing what it's supposed to. Okay. And it's swapping out stuff. Okay. So equipment station. Gotta at least okay, so you have the selector. Oh, where is it supposed to spawn? Is it supposed to have the avatar? Revert? Maybe it does. Oh, it should have this. And then okay, so we're gonna do this. I think that's what it was supposed to do. It's supposed to stay. Let me check. I think that's all it was. And that will spawn at runtime. It will check and set up what I have. I think it's because I use the same setup as my so that I can mimic. So it doesn't have to be a different system. Same system that loads. Okay, so there it is. Code. There you go. Oh, I forgot to. You guys can see. Where is my stuff? Avatar changing station. It's working now. And you can mix match. So now I can just match. Needs to be fixed. Uh, gotta fix my avatar. Let me see. Local one. The okay. So most of the body is at the bottom. I need to do this. See. I can see what I'm in there. Let's see. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I don't What the heck? Oh. I gotta figure something or something. Not what it was. Not race. Maybe it might be time to update Live Cam 2. Actually, let me see. VR. Okay, so we have the avatar, Gorilla Player, right here. So we need the avatar to be up here and here, and it's gonna do a what is it called? Follow target. Match position. I'm gonna follow the headset position. No, because if I move up and down, what is it called? Let me see if I have it in the old one. Main avatar, we had a match position. Yeah, okay, on the main camera. Body. The head would match the rotation. And then we had the body had the transform offset. Um, 21. So he had a match position at the main camera. And wait. This has a then we have template that would have the offset one. Double check what it is. This has the rotation. This would be 0. And then this would go down. Okay. And then for the fusion rig, we have the wrists. Finger animations. And then right hand cosmetics. And what we are gonna do is on spawn. After all is done, no, this shouldn't happen. On cosmetic change. Cosmetic. If has state authority, return the have these game object set active false. We actually don't want it on. Let's see if that works, so that we don't see it in the camera. Because I stopped it from seeing it locally, but that freaking camera, live cam doesn't. See, what else did I miss? But yeah, I don't know the offset, but we'll find out. And hopefully this works. And the next thing I need to update is the lib cam, make it bigger, and test to see if this is worth doing. Let me double check. So main avatar, match position, okay? Match Y rotation. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, I got it. Here, match. Okay, and this will give it to match that. Okay, and then we match the rotation, the position, the other play. Oh yeah, that's the other thing is the bundle. Bundle. The bundle display seems to have a weird offset. So let me see. So this is rotating from here, but it needs to rotate from here. Okay, so we'll do the rotation here. Still kind of weird. Okay, so it's too far. Move it this way. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna keep a little bit back, and then we just got these two. Global. And there you go. Now this will rotate better. Okay, maybe make it 20. I don't know. Okay, 0 central. If it changed. Better. Didn't know I own it. Just let me see. PlayFab. I'm gonna have to delete my account. So I can test it all the way through. Let me build this. Let's see. What was it? 128. And then let's see. Inventory. Measurable. Revoked. Keeps not saving. I know why. Dang it. I need to set it as not consumable. Dang it. Yeah. That's the other problem. Okay. So for next time, LiveCam. Let's see if I have a Trello board. Board. I don't care. No, this one's not it. Okay, let me see if I have a different. I don't know what Gmail I use for this Trello. Also have Monday that I haven't done in a long time because I used for other stuff. Okay. 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 Uh, Magic Hunters. Prototype phase. See. Okay, so I need to just okay, let's rename this. What are we gonna do? Early access release. I don't know, something like or demo release. Demo release. Okay, so we need bugs. We have bugs. We have fixes, polish, and then we have everything else that we need to get done. So cosmetic shop, and it's almost there. The other thing is spells. 5 working spells. with upgrades. And then 3 dungeons with obstacles and goals to achieve. Okay. Stretch goals. And those would be like daily quest, um, quest or onboarding quests, that we can add as we go, stuff like that. But then fixes would be live camp too small, update live cam. Okay, and then polish cosmetic. Can we add, or can we remove a layer from live cam view? Okay, cosmetic shop. The last thing is just a test or add cosmetics as artist finishes them. Remove test new cosmetics as they come in. Maybe create the default variations. Create bone crusher variations. Okay, so those are kind of like stretch goals though. Finish testing the fire spell. Fix water spell. Bounce correctly. Water spell to make sure it drains mana. And then fix dragon spell rates. Test them. Then the other one, add new, what is it called? Dark spell. Add new spell. Okay, and then let's see if it's almost done now. Okay. Okay, so we have a new light spell. Test all 5 spells and bug. And then 3 dungeons. Okay. So these are let me see, the fire one. Find artist to finish. Come on, let me type. let's see. I'm just communicating with my artist. I'm gonna finish stuff. Okay. Find artist to finish fire layer or go back to the old asset. Yeah, so you might have to do the old asset. Figure out sound. Oh, that's the other thing we need to do is polish music, create sound settings for player for voice chat and audio. Voice chat, sound effects, and music. That audio, do scenes. Okay, so don't need to figure. Let's see. So we need for the water layer needs. We'll do the earth first. Earth layer needs progress setup. Earth. Let's call it dungeon, not layer dungeon. That I wanted to do like dungeon, earth dungeon, moving walls for puzzle or for obstacles. Moving walls / platforms. Puzzle. Okay. Dungeon has boss, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out right now. Roaming enemies. As an elite warrior, maybe. I don't know. That's too much coding. Let's see. Yeah, because then that way we can do a lot of health. Let me see. And add maybe. What could we add? To do the bounce thingy, but bounce a bunch. That might be hard. Players. We'll see. As water conduit mechanics to power up stuff, maybe. So then you have to like figure out. But that'll be too much out of scope. So we'll delete. Okay, so that's what we have. I think that's okay. You need new leaderboard. Size limit. Done. And I'll work on. Okay, it's there. Let's. Okay. Oh, I don't know if proximate. Okay. Yeah, do this. Let me see. Yeah, it's all there. Hey guys, I'm gonna stop the stream. I'll push an update. I'll let you guys know when the update's ready. It'll probably be ready in 5 minutes. Yeah.